Yeah, man, I think the mic's on. Ready to come in, guys. Yo, Daniel. Coming in 1 minute early. Well, not exactly a minute early. We're coming in before the clock struck 3. How's everyone doing today, man? Welcome to the stream. I got some fun chess planned today. We're going to be gaming. We're going to warm up with a few little puzzles and so I can talk to you guys, see what's going on. Dude, we did a 12-hour stream yesterday, man, for the celebration of 3,000 hours on Elden Ring. You guys know I play that game. The chess community and the gaming community are interwoven. We talk about chess all the time on the gaming streams. We talk about gaming here too. It's what we do, man. We even talk about music. As a matter of fact, Bill Stevens might be showing up today. There he is, first one in Facebook. Bill Stevens, how you doing, brother? Good to see you, man. The coffee just got done, so I think I might take you guys to the coffee cam real quick. Let's take a look. Let's knock out the first. Well, the thing is, the coffee's going to get cold if I forget. Or there's just a checkmate, right? Where is it? Right here. Whoa. This is not an easy puzzle, guys. I mean, this is mate in 3. Oh, it's because I'm on number 24. I'm on number 24. I'm like, where's the back rank mate? Where's the back rank mate isn't here, guys. It goes like this, check. And then this is checkmate. Dude, no, that's not checkmate. Wait for it. It was the rook. I saw it. This is the, yeah, because the queen on the diagonal. Dude, I almost got one wrong right out of the gate. I'm doing this because we're going to play a nice 15-10 game. And I will be a good streamer and ignore chat. And I'm just going to shut chat off. And we're going to play. I will talk through the moves. And you guys can say moves while we play. But I want to play a nice, as serious as you can get, right? We got to grab this coffee, folks. Dude, I love this cup. I have to be careful with this cup because, oh, we got to go to puzzles. Because I've used it so many times, the letters are starting to wear off it. But let me see if I can show you guys like this so you can actually see it. Boy, I should not do this when it's full. That's my Savage the Dude cup, guys. This is from Nick Savage's community and his get-together. Like, we had one a couple years ago, and I've got to plan it, guys. The thing about planning that darn thing is, it's like you got to plan it so far away. Last time I planned it far enough away, and a lot of people were like, I only had 4 months to get ready. It's like, sorry, Bill Stevens just booked a reunion show for my old band. Oh, my God. Have you guys ever had a band? Do you know how much fun he's going to have? Hey, TH Hong, how you doing, man? Thank you for the heart. Ash K, welcome to the stream. Hello, hello. If you ever had an old band, it's almost like anything, your old group of best friends from 4th grade, high school, like your group of guys, girls, whatever. If you could get reunions are great. A band reunion is amazing. Just booked a reunion show for my old band, then one that had my late bros. Right, okay, gonna be a big show, hopefully, and a nice celebration of their lives in music. Bill Stevens, that's awesome. Yeah, Bill Stevens lost some really special lifelong musician friends that were just, in addition to being talented, I've just heard about what great people they were. It's a life of a musician, guys. You know, actors do it. People that travel all the time. I'm safe right now. I'm not traveling for work. Just driving an hour and a half, whatever. I got to go to Austin, San Antonio if I had to work down there. You're on the road, and you add thousands of hours of driving, flying, traveling, new places, new hotels, new towns, streets you don't know whether you should walk down or not, but it looks good to me. Just want to go down to the store right there, pick up some toothpaste. Yeah. It's a beautiful thing. It's an amazing thing to be able to do. But there is added risk, man. There's added risk when you're constantly driving, constantly traveling. As musicians, a lot of times we're driving home at 2 a.m, folks. When all the what we call amateur hour, when all the amateurs are on the road. This looks like a piece. Pawn takes, I don't think does it. Scott Armstrong, I'm sure that is a re-up. Scott, thank you for the like. Will Anthony for the like. And Scott, thank you for being a supporter on Facebook, man. Chess Workshop this weekend. It's time. I just did like I said, we did a 12-hour gaming stream yesterday. So at Chess Workshop this weekend, what that means is, if you are a supporter on Facebook, like Scott Armstrong has been for so long, thank you, Scott. And so many of you, which is why the only reason that we're able to be here. And then my subscribers on Twitch, if you want to get involved and you have an Amazon Prime, you can subscribe on Twitch for free. And then you get access to the chess workshops. And then, of course, members on YouTube. And we do a private chess stream, and we look at our lower-rated players' games and tell them very specific things they're doing wrong. Not things I made up, not things I think. Very specific quotes from the stack of books, guys, from the Grand Masters, okay? What's the shot here, guys? What's the shot here? It's not the queen. This wins a pawn, but takes g3. Takes, and then he could play the bishop. There's no big threats here. Takes g3. How do I see what I'm saying? After g3, how do I stay on my bishop? One way is to pin the knight, which actually could work. Bishop takes, queen takes. That one's a piece. Bishop takes, a rook comes over. No. Oh, f5, 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 f5. Bishop takes g3, queen back, rook pins f5. Oh, wow, he doesn't even want it. Okay, because I thought he was going to do this. And pin. You know what I'm saying? But then I have f5, so it works. So it's just a simple piece, but they don't show the more difficult line probably because Stockfish is Stockfish. Center says, I was watching the 12-hour stream and it shut off while you were fighting Elden Beast. I don't understand how that could have happened, Center. You might go back. And I'll tell you this. If you were interested in that, you definitely want to see the end. That's all I'm going to say. You're a horse. Dude, welcome. Of course, of course. All horses welcome here at Charlie Sardo Gaming. How's it going, y'all? Let's workshop. Let's go. Daniel Abbott. Love you, brother. So, what do we got here, man? Feeling good. I got my dude, we woke up this morning. Courtney was taking off, and she had brought salad stuff. She's like, you want a salad? Before I leave, you want to make a salad? I'm like, what do you have? Big bag of spinach leaves. What? Extra sharp cheddar. Cherry tomatoes. Green onion. Chop, chop, chop. Then I put some honey mustard dressing with a splash of sriracha dressing on top. Oh, my God. Spinach for breakfast, guys. It was great. Black to move. I have a check. That loses my queen. I can't castle. I can attack his queen with this move. I don't see why You wouldn't just play bishop takes pawn. Why not? The thing about attacking the queen, attacking the queen might be good because you could then come here though. Takes. You can like be annoying, but I can castle is the thing. Bishop takes is not good. Why? I think attacking the queen is probably the move first and then bishop takes. Because if he wants to stay in my grill, he's going to have to come to the square. Bishop takes hits the queen. There's no check. The queen can't hang out. The queen has to run for its life. And then I get the castle. I feel like this is the move. Center said on my YouTube stream is 11 hours, 55 minutes. The horizontal stream. Yeah, I don't know, but there's a vertical. There's a vertical. I don't understand how it could have ended 5 minutes early on the vertical. Queen B2 makes a threat. No, it doesn't. Queen B2 does. The thing is, it doesn't make a threat, and then white can save the pawn. You know what I'm saying? Oh no, it does make a threat. It threatens checkmate. Oh my god, queen b2 threatens a square. How does he defend it? He can't because of this. And the queen can't come back. Queen b2, wait for it. There's a check. But then the king moves. It's queen b2. Wow. Who said queen b2? Yeah. Tom found it, bro. I think it's queen b2. That's a brutal move. And what I say, he has a check now. I have to just step somewhere where there's no check. And I don't want to allow any kind of a weird check. Oh, just knight. 1,000,000% knight, because then he has no reasonable recourse. And then we take. Queen b2, dude, threaten mate, Tom. Good move. Tom's got chess on his brain. Tom is sharp. I like you, Tom. The king has no squares. I want to play this check, but the king has a square. But if I play this check, because the knight and the pawn cover all malarkey, and the rook covers any escape scenario. Final answer. Okay. Black to make a move. There is a bishop. But these are light squares. There is a checkmate. It's a theme, guys. It's a theme. It's not checkmate. Oh, it's not checkmate because he has one square. But I force him to another check. And what is... Or maybe we check this way. This is it. Oh my god.
Cup of coffee on me, big dog.
Dylan Dietz with a $9.99 super chat. Cup of coffee. Dude, that's a nice cup of coffee, brother. I'm going to have to go searching. You bought me 2 fat cups of coffee. Thank you so much for the $10 super chat. You're a kind soul, brother. What kind? I think I have an idea. You can play with me, Ski Musk Baby, on... Wednesday is our tournament, and Thursday I play viewers. Rhodes, how you doing, my friend? Rhodes, look what I'm rocking today, brother. Look what I'm rocking today. I'm having to be real careful with because every time I wash it, you know what I got to stop doing? It's just coffee. Don't wash the outside. That's what I'm going to do. When I wash this, I'm going to baby it because I love this cup, but I don't want to put it in the freaking. I don't want to put it in the cupboard. Guys, Rhodes is one of the very few people, probably like 50 of us, that have one of these mugs, man. That have one of these mugs from our trip into the Ozarks. So, okay, remember we talked about the light squares? So, I'm going to say check, Forced. Checkmate. And checkmate because of the bishop. Okay, I'm gonna want to forky dorky this guy. How? I don't know. I can hit the fork here, but then he just has a check or something. It doesn't do. Guys, get it out of your head. I could bring a rook. Huge developmental scenario. I could queen check, force the king over, and pin it. The final answer. Now wait, let's look for mate. It's not final answer. Where are you from? I originally am from Southern California, and I was there for most of my life, growing up and turning into an older man. And then you stopped using yours to preserve. Yeah, Rhodes. I think I should, man. I think I should, but I want to use it. What do I do? Take pictures? It's a cup. I want it to be used, but you're right. I should put it in like in a case or something. I should be looking for checkmate here, guys. There are no other checks. There's no forks. This is the final answer. And you are not the weakest link. And now, there could be a better move with check. There's not. Because the king comes up. Oh, and I take a full rook. That's 5 points. This is... Well, dude, it might be... The better move might be... No, queen check the knight just takes backwards. I'm thinking too hard, guys. Take the queen. Take the queen. It's number 30. Just went and checked the vertical. Else this is lower at 55. So you're telling me the vertical and the horizontal, both of my YouTube streams last night, ended at 11:55. Because I ended the stream when we hit 12 hours, I ended it probably within a minute. My go-to, it's a move mug. The It's a Move mug this is more of an artistic mug. Let me show you this mug. This mug was custom made, maybe by like a real person. Oh wait, wrong. Come on, man. Wrong one. You know what I'm saying? Like this is like screen printing artwork that someone did. Do you know the story behind these mugs, Rhodes? That's a Savage the Dude. That's my nickname with the Savages. And then there is my Savage Social, Lake of the Ozarks 2020. Was that 2024? Yeah, it seems like just yesterday, Rose. My coffee mugs, while cool, I like my coffee mugs. But they're a little more, what's the word, mass produced. They do something with my coffee mugs where you can wash them a million times. The picture doesn't go away. I don't understand what it is. This one actually has lettering on it. It's raised lettering, guys. I'm gonna be careful with it. Maybe I'm gonna. Rhodes is a really smart guy, guys. I'm telling you. What is your elo? On chess.com is 1600 or something. I think is my rapid. Yeah, and then just use the It's a Move mug for daily wear and tear. Preserve this. Okay, back to the game, guys. Puzzles. Black to move. Let me see. Okay, oh, is there like a ladder style mate? Check. Any. Well, you see what I mean. What I mean is check. Any. It's not mate though, because he has a square. Huh. Check. Kick drum. Check. Come. Check. Mating. What? I'm going to show you. Check. Check. And this is the key move. Adam Engel with the 40 stars. Longest running stars giver here at Charlie Sardo Giving. Adam, how you doing today? I hope your life is great, man. I hope your life is great. What's your elo, Tapank? Yeah, where are you from? So I grew up in California, and now I reside in Central Texas, near Austin. Yeah, it's a great place to live. Baby it, bro. Yeah, Danielson, you guys are right. You guys are right. You guys are right. Dude, when I just pulled it out, I was like, I want to use it, though. I'll be good, guys. I'll be good. White to make a maneuver. Well, first thing you look at is this check. And then the mate, right? It's a queen sack, but it's not hard to see, guys. First thing I see is a king, like where this would be checkmate if my queen was on e4. It's the first thing I see, but it's not. But this could be the maneuver to end all maneuvers. Rook comes. Knight attacks the rook. Indefensible. And the first thing I looked at is, does he have a queen check? And he does not. That's why the pawn's on c3. Final answer. Easy. Excuse me. Oh my goodness, man. Going good, man. Dude, Adam, I'm doing great, man. Hey, Raha, dude, thank you for the follow, man. Guys, if you're watching on Facebook, hit the follow button and the like button and the share button. It's all good for the community. Okay. Then we continue with the check. And that's it. Okay. This is something you guys should see instantly. I don't know if it's the answer. It is, I think. The weak dark squares. When you play the white side of a Sicilian, you play a lot against a lot of dragons. King's Indian, kind of, not really as much. But the fianchettoed bishop is gone. And the dark squares are weak. So the move's going to be queen f6, threatening checkmate, and there's going to be no way to stop it. If this knight could move back here or something, he stops the checkmate. See it? Right? If the queen could come to f8, then I don't have checkmate, right? But there's nothing he can do. It goes like queen f6, bishop check, probably king takes. I just have to stop the checks. Yeah, they don't even give it to you, bro. Why don't they make us learn? There's a check here that does win a rook, but check, knight back, queen mate. Check, rook up. Oh no, it doesn't win a rook because the knight is here. Check, rook up, queen mate. So, but if I come here first, he gets away. This, Danielson, is now you can't leave. It doesn't even let us finish it, man. It doesn't. I want it. You reached 1300 today, dude. Daddy Senpai, congratulations, man. 1300 is a good chess player. 1300, dude. We were gonna revel in the now you can't leave meme, and it skipped us back. I mean, it skipped us to the next one. Doesn't it know I'm doing dad jokes over here? My goodness. What happened? He comes up. Okay. There's a knight check, but I don't feel like it does anything. I see that same dark square, but look at the dark square. It's covered, so I'm probably not mating here. One great idea is to pin the rook and take the rook, or now we're looking for fireworks, folks. Rook takes, check. Pawn takes. Push pawn. Check. I think like the king is going to come up, and then we're going to check with the other rook, and we're going to check him off of the rook, and then we're going to take the rook. So is it rook takes check? Because he's going to be gutted as well. He's going to be gutted. He's on my queen, so it has to be rather forcing. Takes. Now, I think... Oh, I thought the rook was going to come here with that check, but I didn't see the pawn was here, guys. Oh, check, I make a queen, bro. So he comes over, we checked him off the rook. If king up... Oh, I just queen and it's mate. Yeah, so this is the best move. Dude, I totally misanalyzed that. Now, I can't dark square check, which would be checkmate, by the way, if it was available, so you have to look for it. We're going to take the rook and continue the crushing attack. The beauty of this position also is eventually, even after I take the rook, he can't really... He doesn't want to move the knight because then this comes in. Also, then that does become a checkmate. They just don't show it all. They don't show it all. He checks me. I have 2 maneuvers. King. 3. 2. Or king. Now, obviously, this move doesn't make me excited as a human being because... Or as an alien or as anything else I might be. Because it blocks my rook and my rook's looking as king and there are threats. Oh yeah, so I guess I have a few actually. This one, I mean, this would be way later in the game, could run into checks, right? This one, it's a weak king. It's a weak king. So, but man, you got to figure out why. Right? It's one of these. I'm in check. I have to move. Did you guys see this one? I bet Tom sees it on Twitch. Hey, Iris, welcome to you. Welcome back, my friend. Welcome back. We're going to start our game here in a minute, guys. I just wanted to look at some chess and not just start a game and drop a pawn or something, right? I'll drop a pawn on my own power. Stevie, 29 star. How you doing, dude? Is there a reason I can't come to one or the other? Or one's better than the other? Is there a queen trap? No. So, but I don't see the win. I don't see, there's a theme here I don't see, guys. King back, bishop takes, rook takes, with threats. But I guess I would have this idea too if my king was back here. Dude, what is it? What, does anyone see this one? Play it. Well, I have 2 other moves. Okay, wait. I don't want to play it. I want to analyze it. We could try it without the computer, but let's see. Okay. He comes here. And then we come at him like a spider monkey. Analyze. Why is King H1 worse? Why is it worse, guys? Because King H1, Queen E2, he doesn't even take. He threatens checkmate. And he threatens this. Wow. Whereas King, oh yeah, and he's on the rook too. He's on the rook too. So therefore, King G1 is better because it defends the rook. Wow. Okay. Fair enough. Fair enough. We're gonna get into a game, folks. Ooh, okay. Or is someone sending me a challenge? I'm gonna shut my challenges off. I'm gonna go to social. It's funny because you go to settings, you go to social. Not to be social. You go to social to be anti-social, guys. Where is it? I didn't click social. You got to go to social if you want to be anti-social. Let's see. Allow challenges. No more challenges. Thank you for the challenge, my friend. But oh, he wants to play a 3-day game. I don't play 3-day games anyway. I don't play the slow games, guys. Okay, we got to get to a playable board. Play online. 15-10 rapid. Let me be sure I'm caught up. H1 is a bad move. What is your rating? My rating, my rapid rating, which we're going to play now, is 1683. You're going to grind some rating today. I don't know if I'm going to do the road to 1500 today. The reason why is I'm trying to be like Hikaru. I'm being a rating farmer. If you're trying to get your actual number up, the number rating up, then you want to only play when you're warmed up, when you're at 100%, right? I had a big day yesterday. I feel great. I'm going to play a 15-10 game, but I don't want to work on my 3-minute rating right now because I'm actually caring about that number. I'm not really even trying to play good chess in my 3-minute blitz. I'm just trying to make my rating go up. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Can you play the Zuckertort system? I don't know that, brother. I don't know what that is. Zuckertort, Zuckertort, I think they call it, right? I don't even know what that is, man. Let's get into a game, a 15-10 game. All right. And then we're going to do the nasty. Now, you guys can recommend moves. You guys can talk. You can say. You can do whatever you want. I highly recommend it. I'm going to play E4, but I've turned off my chat. I can see alerts. Likes, follows, comments, subscribes, things like that. I'll hear them and they'll pop in my list. But, okay, we play D4. E4, E5, BC4, knight F6, D4, guys. You've got to learn the move. This guy's 1841. You know how you got to be 1841? I'm going to show you right now after this next move. Oh, man. Dude, the coffee is good today. I get this coffee. It's like called caramel cream. It's the flavor. And it's so good. But it would be so much better with sugar. And even though I've broken my diet many, many times, one of the big things I did was stopped putting sugar in my coffee. Now, I don't take this. I don't care for. I think I do this. Sacking the pawn, but getting this. And the unprotected knight with some threats, it'll be enough to make it worth it for the pawn, I think. I don't know. At my rating, I'm supposed to know these things. I know that now. I'm supposed to know these things, guys. I'm supposed to, I mean, I'm probably still playing, well, most grandmasters don't play a Urasov Gambit. The unbeatable Urasov Gambit, by the way. There's a video on YouTube called The Unbeatable Urasov Gambit, and it's the line I just played. And the reason they call it unbeatable is because it is analyzed down to a draw. With best play, black can make a draw. Where you're playing with white, you don't want that. You want a game with best play that you still have chances to win. You maintain your opening advantage, in other words, right? So that's why I call it the unbeatable Urasov Gambit. Now he's like looking at his knight going, He's considering F5, guys. He plays it back, moving it multitudes. Now, I have this move. Attacking. He has no knight to defend it. Oh, he has this move to defend it. So I think we just... another idea is bishop. Yeah, bishop e7. What are we doing here? You know what I'm saying? And this is not an Italian style anymore with the pawns are different. I'm not going to be playing for d4. Already played d4. When you bring the knight and it comes back and you head to f5. I don't think that happens here. I think that this c1 knight or b1 knight is coming to c3. There are also moves like this in the air, but not really hair. Did I have something, guys? Oh man, I had bishop takes check. I had queen. No, the knight comes back. I have it now. Oh, I don't have it. This is protected. Dude, I thought I had bishop check. Guys, I don't have chess on my brain. I'm looking at ghosts that are not there. They do not exist. This is so bad. The knight definitely comes here. Oh my god, guys. I just looked at bishop f7 check, queen check, taking the knight, and then bishop takes knight. Ugh, thank god I'm playing a slow game. But I'm wasting a lot of brain power. This is a pretty cool move because it gets the bishop. It gets the bishop. So I'm going to move the same piece twice in the opening. Hate me for it. My bishop's probably coming back to d3 when it can. I could bring a rook too. There's nothing happening here. No, I'm going to do this because it feels more, a little more active. Little more activity in the scenario. There are a lot of things that could happen here, guys. A lot of things that could happen here. Like he can't, I looked at this earlier, but he can't do that because I take this. I mean, it puts his queen here, but there's no attack. Is there an attack? This could come with ideas. I don't have anything in here. Where does my bishop want to go? It's probably coming to f4 to reinforce the cornerstone, the Veronica cornerstone of the position, which is this pawn. And then I bring the rook, and we overprotect this pawn, and we make him shove and like take to get rid of it because he's a little bit out there, guys. The knight comes back, moving a third chess.com time. You love to see it. Now, my bishop cannot come to the square yet. It doesn't feel good. It's not made of wood. Do I take the bishop? Well, I can. Because if I don't take the bishop's coming to a really good diagonally. So I think I'm going to take the bishop. Let me slow down. It's a slow game, guys. Let's soak up the sun. Is that Sheryl Crow? She wants to soak up the sun? I want to soak up the sun. The problem is my bishop doesn't have any awesome squares. I think taking is the move, guys. It's a bishop. Although this knight's better than a bishop. Right now, it is. Right now, it is. In the end game, the bishop will be better. Yeah, is that going to save me, guys? I don't know. I'm 1600. I'm trying to make practical chess decisions. This blocks. Is he threatening anything? No. I mean, he's threatening to, like, try and trade down or something. That doesn't do anything. That still loses. C3 restricts both knights. Something to consider. Developing a bishop is better, but where does it go? It has no... Maybe b3, bishop b2. This could be a move. But then he saves. I come in the... I don't think we allow it, guys. I don't think we allow the bishop coming to this diagonal. It's very... It's not like you should be horrified of it. He's developed... He has pieces, guys. He has pieces. He's going to develop some pieces. That's going to happen. It's a chess game. But I still feel like I didn't want the bishop on this diagonally. I really feel like that. This pawn is doing so much work because it's going to mess his pawns up if he wants to get rid of it. This pawn is doing so much work because if he wants to get rid of it, it's going to open up the diagonally. This is probably a good move. Rook e1 is probably a good move. Bishop e3, like I said, here. If he kicks me, like I said, I want to come back here anyway. Then he could maybe get this. No, he can't because bishop check. I'm better, and the way to stay better is by bringing pieces out. I'm telling you, I really believe this to be true. We hold these truths self-evident, or something like that. I don't know where's that come from. So what's that, the Declaration of Independence or something? Guys, light. Oh, yeah, we're not going to get into it. Okay. This develops a rook to where I can almost guarantee that's the right place for it to go. I'm going to do it. Because of that, exactly for that reason. Because I know this rook is probably going to come here. Oh, boy, that scared me. I have an update available. I thought something happened. Okay. It just seems weird, man. It seems a little bit weird. It seems like it doesn't have a real nice beard. Just defending. Defending, guys. I'm a defender. What do you guys think about this position? Tell me in chat. Tell me what you think the evaluation is right here. Is white still better? Is it like plus 0.5? I have space. I think my queen's better than his. My bishop's on a square. He's attack king. Now, I can bring the bishop back, defending, and look king. This is probably a pretty good move. And then this will come with tempo and carnage. Carnage Royale. Another idea is b3, bishop b7. I like the ideas of b3, a4, and bishop a3 winning material, but not really, but kind of. But I could, I'm not going to, but I could take and then play bishop. That's the most forcing to, because here's what I'm doing. I'm trading, hear me out. The only reason why I'm saying there is value. I'm trading a developed piece for a developed piece. And when he has to answer for Fredo, he has to take back, bishop e3 comes. Right? Hitting the queen. And I now developed a piece. In other words, in this position, we each have two pieces out. But I have the rook too. My queen's not out, but it's working. But his is out. But after bishop takes, bishop e3, I have two pieces out. And I have the move. Now, he could, like, attack this square. He really can't. And he's on this twice. So maybe that's not good. Plus, it gives up the bishop. Bishop b3 is definitely an idea. Bishop b3, but knight. Oh, if bishop... Wait. Bishop d3... Knight b4 attacks my knight. But I have... I mean, I attacks my bishop, but I have bishop e3 hitting the queen. And the bishop can get away, and this is covered. So, bishop d3, knight b4, bishop e3 looks okay. Bishop d3, I said I want to come here because I'm threatening, like, stuff. Right? Bishop d3. Does he start coming in? I think I just play bishop. Pinning. Threatening. Takes, queen takes. Developing me, guys. I'm trying to give this guy a good game. Osman, if you're watching, don't watch for the moves, bro. Turn the stream off. It's called... No, you would never do that. I have to keep the paranoia out, guys. If I'm going to link my Twitch to my chess.com, I have to stop being paranoid and accept that some people are going to watch. He plays d6. Now, this move, he has like queen b4. I have this, but then I lose this. He's attacking. Bishop, queen b4. And there's not a lot. Bishop f4 doesn't work. This square is covered. It's the only thing I don't like about it, about my life. Because then the Greek gift is not on. You know what I'm saying? If you can get a Greek gift going on, guys, it's a good thing. Bishop e3, king b4, queen b4, takes, yeah. I think we play bishop e3. Because you can't play pawn takes. Doing it. Huge mistake. Huge mistake. Might be, guys. Am I getting checkmated? Tell me in chat. It would be cheating, but I can't see chat. Dude, there was a turn. He plays just instantly. Instantaneously. Now, I could trade this pawn. No, it doesn't do anything. I think we just takes queen takes c3, queen e2, bring the rook. And he's gonna get developed, but his queen's in the middle of the board. I want to teleport my queen. How do I do that? Knight. Hear me out. Losing a pawn. No, and then he's just going to be able to play knight. I can't allow, like... no. His knight will come back. He'll be a great defender of men. We cannot... we cannot allow. We're going to take. It also opens up my rook. I mean, there's no infiltration points. Infiltration is futile at this point in the game. And I'm losing on time. Takes with a pawn. Oh, my God. Now, there's no dark square, like, really bad. How do we defend this pawn, guys? How are you defending? I could play queen. It's very Eric Rosen of him. In our game, he did something very similar. And he did it pretty quick, too. The thing I don't like about this is c3 doesn't work. I'm just going to move, guys. I'm just going to move. Defending. Then c3 comes for free. Well, not for free. Well, yeah, it comes for free. But at what cost? It comes for free, folks, but at what cost? I had to play queen c1. What did I say in my one of my other shorts? If your queen is defending... Well, it was blockading. If your queen is blockading a pawn, that's bad. My queen is worth way more than defending a pawn. But right now, I don't see it so much. Maybe I did not want to leave this diagonally. Because that's my way in. Okay, we can make left for free. Not war. 1000% not war. Now he wants to, like, there's no... He wants this so he can move and then hook. Right? C3? Queen c2, he might play knight f4. There's no mate, right, guys? Is there a mate? c3 restricts the knights, but the knights have squares anyway. Well, I mean, not really. This one doesn't. And this one, though, it does have a square. It does. Plays f5, opening up the diagonally. Now we probably come back here with threats. I can come to this square. He pushes. Check. King moves. The king can come up, is the thing. No, he can't. I think I can do this. I'm getting low on time. Wow. Okay, he's blocking this now. He's blocking it. So what if I kick the queen? Bad. Dumb. Might have been dumb, guys. This is what happens. This is what happens when you spend too much time in the opening. He comes back. Queen up. Okay, then this is not here anymore. So maybe this doesn't work. Everything is not okay. He's threatening. Wow. I think somehow I let this position get out of. Can I play knight? No, I think we pin. I think we come back. You could get F4 in though, man. I didn't really consider it. No, I could take it. I considered this too, but if your bishop's blockading a pawn, is that good either? Because G5 can come. Well, it can't come yet. Actually, it might be able to come. Now he might move over. He plays it. Takes D5. So I don't think I can take. Takes D5. Push, hit the queen. This might be okay. This might be okay. Takes D5. There's an idea about rook, but the knight's there. Takes D5, G4, queen takes. Hear me out. Takes, repinning, and I'm on it twice. You can play a check, bishop can come back. But there goes my pawns. I've really screwed this up, guys. A master would just like play bishop back and keep playing chess. It's too easy for him, though. I think it's too easy for him. It's too easy for him, guys. Guys, I might lose this game, man. The guy's 1841. He's only freaking 150 points higher than me. I'm supposed to win this game. Plays D5. Now. Rook takes, bishop takes doesn't work. Bishop takes, queen takes doesn't work. This move was the dumb move. So I'm just going to play the dumb line, guys. The bishop will be here looking at this, but I think I'm going to lose this. 2 pieces for the rook. I'm not sure. But when I take, I'll be on the knight. Do you understand what I'm saying? We'll be on the knight, guys. I'll be on the knight with check. I'll be on the knight with a rook takes. Maybe. Maybe. He has way too much time. Am I busted? Tell me in chat. Yes, you're busted. I tried to make it difficult. I tried to make it mucho difficile. But I think I'm in trouble. Value from this game. The opening. The basic opening principles. I feel like I outplayed him in the opening. And then I just pretty instantly gave up my advantage. Right? Yeah, check. So we come back. And then he may have rook takes. He might. He might have rook takes. But it doesn't mean he does. Queen is bad on this diagonal. Okay. I kind of felt bad about that. I am up. He steps off. Not taking the rook. What is he going to do? Something like this? I think we come back. Hit the queen. Do I have a queen move? The knight can move somewhere, but I mean, he can be taken. Well, knight f4. Oh, that's a good move. So I think we hit the queen. Hit the queen, hit the Amigos queen, and then I can play the bishop back somewhere. Did I lose a pawn? No. You know what I lost? King safety. I have the bishop pair. If my queen can come with any kind of reasonable effectiveness, I'll be ahead in development. My knight kind of sucks. He's kind of doing work. But I have a bishop to do the work that the knight is doing right now, and the knight can maybe find a life later in the game. This is a threat. Well, if the queen comes to this square, he can't. If the queen comes, yeah, he comes there, then I can just come here. I could come here. Chasing the queen and stopping knight f4. Queen, knight f4. I don't want knight f4 to come. I would love to bring the queen, but I can't stop knight f4, so we're going to do this. Make his queen go away. Take it off of my shoulders, guys. See the things you used to say? You guys know the song. Bill Stevens knows it. Dude, my queen sucks. This could be a reasonable square. And I got to. If I do this, he moves a bishop, I bring a rook, I still think I'm okay. He has like, and he goes there. Okay. Then, and then, now I can just take that. So we're going to come here. Because I'm low on time, and I'm going to bring more wood. And the wood is good. I think my bishops are working, folks. I know you're saying, look at your king. I know, look at my king. He wants to shove the pawn, but he can't shove the pawn. The knight comes, didn't see it. Okay, now I can just take, if I want to. I could take, how do I hit a rook and a pawn at the same time? Right here, maybe? Nope, because he has check. Oh, the knight's, I think we're okay, though. I think we just bring a rook. Knight check could be a maneuver. I think I could get in trouble here. I have a lot of defenders, guys. I have a lot of defenders. Just bring a rook. Oh, but I want to save my bishop, though. I might have to give the bishop up. And then the light squares are bad. So I can't give the bishop up. This is probably a good move by my opponent. I think bishop back's probably the move. Can I do this? I don't have enough on it. I don't know, guys. If I can get the rook can come up with pretty good maneuvers. The bishop can't come. It can come like... The problem is the light squares. And on knight check, I think I just got to play king over. This is probably his best move. Get rid of my light squared bishop. Plays the bishop here. Can I not get the knight out now? I'm losing on time. And he can't do it right now, but he's going to bring his last rook before I brought my last rook. I'm being outplayed. It's because my king is... my king's not in so much danger now. It was in a lot of danger, guys. It's not in so much danger right now. But I have a threat, thank goodness. Takes, I think I play queen takes? Because I'm on the queen. You know what I'm saying? And then the queen can become some massive centralization scenario. The problem is still all this. But this comes with the threat. And I like it. And I'm going to trade off an attacker. And that's an attacker that is brutal. Plays the knight here. Running takes. Do I lose? That knight. This is not... The knight, I think, should have been attacking light squares. Like, knight check was probably better. And overwhelming light squares. Yeah, he gets rid of my dark squared bishop. Which kind of sucks. Not happy about it. But I'm not losing. I'm not losing, guys. And I got my rooks out. Do I want to trade queens? Yes. I have a queen-side majority. Which means these 3 pawns outnumber these 2 pawns. And if everything disappears, his king has to come deal with this. And while it does, my king does this. It's a very basic, very basic. I could be in a lot of trouble here. There's probably just a move, dude. There's probably just a move! Brings the rook. I think he had a better move. I think he had a better move, guys. I think bishop might have been his move. He's got 8 minutes on the chess.com clock, guys. The most useful form of time in the universe. Useless. Did I say useful? Useless! Take, because it's check. I get 10 seconds every move, guys. This guy's 1,800. He's 100 and something point. How many points, guys? 160, 140 points higher than me? I got to stop doing the pre-move so I can look at what's going on. This is probably a really good move. Here, knight takes. I think I have this. Takes, and then rook takes, check. This is maybe after the queens are gone. He plays it now. He plays it now. That probably wasn't the best move. That was not the best move. It's weird, guys. I'm just telling you it's weird. That's all I'm going to say. Maybe he saw... I just have to unpin this, but I unpin it by... taking the 7th rank. And then, king up, and then... I was losing. Probably equal. Might be better because of the rook. He could take... bishop takes, rook check, king up, and start attacking pawns, but I don't know if it's the maneuver. Because the bishop's going to be on this. He can push, but he can't, yeah. So I think I'm better. There are also ideas. It doesn't do, wow. Improving. And most importantly, I don't have 26 seconds anymore, guys. We're at 41. What's my goal? I want to get up to over 3 minutes when I win this game. I was losing, guys. I was losing, and it's just weird. Why would he play such a horrible move after playing such a great game when I said he missed it? You know what I'm saying? I'm not, no, guys, I told you, I gotta stop my paranoia. Whoa, whoa. Yeah, okay, good. How do we improve? Is it like this? Is it like hit the knight? I have to move. I'm losing all my time. I'm moving. If you're listening, it doesn't work. I would love to see bishop takes. I would love... I'm even kind of cool with the knight move, like a weird knight move. No, I'd just take a pawn. But I have to be careful of stuff. Yeah, he comes. Okay, now I think I come here or something. Nope, he's just going to come over. All I did was bring his... I just brought it closer, guys. I want my bishop to work. This doesn't work as a check. I should have come here. And then maybe knight. He wants so bad to work this pin, but it doesn't work. Oh, come on. This was horrible. I improved his king. I improved his king. Knight back could be a move. Knight back, check. I didn't see it. He's trying to beat me on time, guys. Huge mistake. Now we get the knight move. And the pieces come to life. This would have been such a great move, but he has check. Then I move. Oh, takes, and I could have got this. So maybe it worked. Okay. I just keep getting in trouble, guys. I keep getting in trouble. It's because of all this stuff. I want to come here, but he has check. No, he has this. No, he doesn't have that. I wasn't playing this move because of this. The knight covers it. I didn't see it. Doesn't mean it's good. Check. Okay. Just come back. He's using his brain! He's using his brain and his mind, guys. Both at the same time. Totally not cool. Against the rules. You can do that on Elite Chess. Not on chess.com. He's being so smart. My bishop and my knight are working. He did it fast, guys. Does it lose? This pin could be stuck here for the rest of the game. It's actually brutal. It burns like fire, this pin. It burns like fire. I've had a piece pin like this before. Okay, well, the bishop covers it, but the point is, yeah, I think I'm okay. I think we're okay. He saw it, guys. He saw it. This was a big threat. It was a big... Okay, defending. Dude, this guy just moves, man. I'm going to shove my majority, guys. Probably should have been doing this earlier. Now this pin is dumb. I mean, he can step out of it. He can step out of it. Okay. Okay, he steps out of it. I didn't have time to look at much, guys. Something a grandmaster would have seen a long time ago. My bishop covers the queening square. It covers the queening square. That really matters for like 8 moves later. It's huge. It's a good move, this guy with the good moves. I had to move, guys. It's so pretty that it's checked too. I didn't even look. I didn't even look. I just took it. I'm like, we already saw this. That was the threat. He had to play bishop takes. It was forced. He has 4 minutes on his clock. What's he doing? Why isn't he thinking? You're 1841, brother. I love you, Osman. I like the name Osman, too. He looks like a real person, guys. Let's not just look at him as a number. He's not a number. He's a free man. This is so beautiful, too, because I'm taking this, man. Okay. Just grab that. No blunders by me. No blunders by me. I think you're supposed to push, not even attack. Well, he was on my rook. The knight moves. We don't have anything. It's dumb. Stop saying that. We just push. We just push. Takes. Let him do that. I'm up a rook. I'm up a rook. I was losing. I can still lose. I can still lose. Are you not horrified right now? Are you not entertained? No, you're freaking horrified. I would be horrified too. I played a horrible middle game. K push, takes, knight. This is protected though, but I could run into problems. I think we take and then push and we're up a piece. It could be the maneuver, guys. Because oh wait. Takes, push. He has this move. He has this move, guys. Attacking 2 things at once. So oh God, I don't know what to do. This way. Now I got a bishop back. Actually, I didn't have to move. I could have just moved the bishop now. I could have moved the bishop now. Takes was probably winning, guys. It might be the last chance I have to trade the rook for the knight. Wow. Okay. I'm cool with getting rid of that. If he moves it, he's king at king. Oh my God. I had rook takes. No, it's okay. It's okay. We have lots of threats. We're fine. Improve the king. Okay. Dude, he's playing like he has 2 seconds on the clock. Why? Why? Why is he doing this? It's poor time management. He made a mistake. I mean, okay, look, we're going to look at this freaking game. I shouldn't say why, because you know what? In the middle game, we're going to say why. Why? You had a tornado today. Fortunately, you live in a fortress, but it was exciting. Exciting nonetheless. I don't want exciting. Dude, we took care of it, man. The 1840 guys, he had a problem. He had a problem at the end. Can you play this? Boy, there's no comments on that whole chat this whole time. It's so crazy. So many people watching. You guys aren't... And then, Rob Mitchell. So you guys are saying you weren't as excited about that game as I was? That was a crazy game, guys. Okay, first things first. Game review. So the Zukertort system goes like this. D4. Okay, so you're only giving moves for white. D4, knight F3, E3. White bishop D3, pawn B3. Bishop B2, and it's for, from there it's forward, it's free play. You also want to prevent knight B4 with A3. Interesting. I'm not sure what that, I haven't seen that, man. We were on the edges of our seats. Okay, guys, stat time, just so we can see what's going on here, folks. I played with 82.9% accuracy. My worthy opponent, rated 140 points higher than me, played with 77.3 accuracy. Neither of us had brilliant moves. Womp womp. Dude, okay, this guy crushed me here. He had 4 great moves. I had 0. I played 3 book moves. He played 2, so he went out of book first. And wait for this. Best moves. 21 best moves by me, 15 by him. No, the fact is, there's a spot where I was losing. Yeah, and then I equalized it. Wow. That free piece you won, a hard-fought game. That free piece won you a hard-fought game. Okay, we each had 3 misses. I had 0 blunders. He had 1. I played like a 2050. He played like a 1750. And if he plays that move I called out that he played on the very next move, you know, it's funny, so many people ask my age, and I'll tell you something crazy. You guys ready for this? Bill Stevens, you're gonna love this. I was searching for myself on Facebook, like, for whatever reason. I typed Charlie Sardo in the Facebook search engine, and one of the drop downs said, it was the first one, the pre-made searches, the drop down suggestion searches, it said Charlie Sardo age. Why is everyone concerned about my age? I feel like I have to go Hollywood. I have to go dark on my age, Bill Stevens. I'm a young man. I'm younger than I used to be. I'm going to go dark. I'm going to go Tom Cruise and like, I'm not saying Tom Cruise does this. Back in the day in Hollywood, you never let anyone know your age. I bet Corey Feldman, I bet it's almost impossible to know his age. Well, no, you probably can Google it. But the point is, he's still trying to get child actor parts. And he's like 43. You know what I'm saying? He was doing that well into his 30s. Killed it, by the way. Hey, he's got a rockin' band, too. Yeah, so I think I'm going to start hiding my age today, Gons. Gons, how old do you think I am? Make me a guess. Gons, make me a guess. First off, tell me how old you are, but I can't see you. And then tell me how old you think I am. Open up a fair, fun, and clear dialogue about this, and I'll tell you my age, okay? Because I love my age. I love my age. And a lot of times people think, because of my incredible genetics and my superior good looks and my beyond reproach attitude on life, sometimes people think I'm a little bit younger than I really am. And I'm very lucky about that, and that's why I'm so humble. Can you tell? Pingo for life, the nicest guy I ever met, said you are definitely in your 20s. Pingo, I love you. I love you, Pingo. And then Gon says at least 70. Hey, man, you know what? Guys, I wish I was 70. That'd be great. I'd be getting my check, guys. I could get my check every month. No, I don't want to jump right to 70. I still don't even want to jump up to 62 to start getting my check. But But when it finally shows up, it'll be kind of cool. Little kicker every month, guys. You know what I mean? They take like $4 million, not really that much, but they take like $1 million from me over my lifetime. And then in the last 20 years of my life, they give me back 100,000. And then I die. And they keep the rest. Hey! Dude, gotta admit. Guys, it's a scam. Start your own country, guys. Start your own country. Actually, I would start Social Security first. Put that together first, and then start your own country. Because that's the most important thing, I think. It's a manunu, guys. It's a manunu. When did you start playing? At like 3 o'clock. It was bishop g4 move, and then he had to take with the bishop, and you had the rook forked. Those were all... those were his altogether bad moves. Should we turn the girls on, guys?
That free piece won you a hard-fought game. Nice one.
Can you guys hear her? Guys, let's listen to the girls. They're going to teach us chess.
Your opening strikes the center early. You're giving yourself dozens of strong options.
Thank you, Andrea Botez.
Whoa, your opponent's fighting for the center. Get ready for anything.
I mean, was that Alexander? Sometimes I can't tell the difference.
Whoa, the bishop's opening, huh? Controlling the center and eyeing the king side. We see you.
I think the volume's not loud enough. I mean, you would think I could hear it live, right? I mean, I can hear it.
Ooh, they're going for center control while attacking your pawn. Careful now.
That was definitely Alexandra. New match. When did you start playing? I started playing when I was young. No
That's
way.
ambitious. Opening up the board for maximum piece activity. Let's go.
We will never reach Grandmaster status before Levy. Because I'm going to direct race with Gotham Chess to become a super Grandmaster. And we'll never become better at chess if we don't look at our games, our wins and our losses. I was showing you, I didn't show you guys the squiggler. Exactly what, I'm looking at the little, the graph. Exactly what happened. I said, I was better, I outplayed him in the opening. And then I went wrong, and he was winning. And then I brought it back up to even, and then he made mistakes in the end game. That's the story. That's the story.
That free piece won you a hard-fought game. Nice one.
Guys, I know you guys care more about statistics than you care about chess or me or anything else. This is Clifford the Big Red Arrow. We start out equal, guys. I develop a clear, if not probably, winning advantage according to Hikaru. He'd probably say that. I know him, guys. He's my friend. We talked at St. Louis. So then I went downhill, womp womp, and he was winning for this short amount of time, and I bet the move was bishop g4, and he didn't see it. And then he played it on the next move when it wasn't good when I tried to trade queens. And then that let me equal. And so we're more or less equal all the way across until he started giving up free pieces, folks. And he had 4 minutes on the clock when he started dumping all his pieces to me, and I don't understand why. And I had under a minute. Guys, it's a 15-10 game. The way to win on time or to win the game, in that situation, he had 4 minutes, and I had like... Actually, he had something stupid at one point, like 7 minutes, and I had like 20 seconds, right? He needs to spend some time to find the best move, or a move that complicates things. And then he needs to analyze it and look at what I'm probably going to do and look for his second move. Then make a move. I'm low on time. I'm going to make a quick move, then bang, make another move. Now I don't have time to think because I only have 20 seconds left on the clock. Do you know what I'm saying? And I'm playing against his analysis that he spent a minute on, 2 minutes on, but I only have 10 seconds to do it. And then I make a mistake, and he's like, I already looked at this. Bang! Now I'm doing this. I'm winning this pawn. And he gets something out of it, you know? Yeah, man. Good game to my opponent, but really, really, really...
Not the best move, but not the worst either. It's fine. We can't all play like Magnus, you know?
Why not?
Oh no, say it ain't so. You're about to lose a pawn.
Not the best move, but not the worst either.
Okay,
It's
now
fine.
I'm coming.
We can't
I'm
all
coming
play
out of
like
this.
Magnus,
I'm gonna
you
go
know?
to the opening world star book. Rating range. Why do I have to reset it? 2,600. There's no games in this position. This is broken. This is broken because there's only it's because I went up too high to 2,600 maybe. Okay, here we go. Better off. D4 is the second most common move, or the unbeatable Urasawa Gambit. Okay. Hey, Pingo, love you, brother. Thank you. You from U.S. Yes, I live in Texas. Even better than being from the United States, I live in a little state called Texas. It's the best place in the United States to live, and I believe the best place in the world to live. And I'm very, 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 very fortunate to be here. Doesn't mean I don't like other places, guys. I love Italy. Been there a few times. I actually went to Canada. Loved Canada. Mexico was scary, but you know, we went. It doesn't list the players though. It doesn't list the games on the database list, which is kind of annoying. I don't like the new setup. Bringing the engine up. D5 is best as plus 0.83. That is a move, but he moves the same piece twice. Kind of had to. That's why I'm better. Okay, now. Queen D5, he plays the knight. Queen E2 is the best move. Or knight C3, which I told you guys, we're not doing the Italian game anymore because we're not going to be playing C3 and D4. All that's done. So now the knight is just better here. Plus the bishop can't even pin because the knight, his own knight's in the way. Queen E2 is the best move, but knight C3 is my move, I believe, and they're scored exactly the same. I castled. That was bad. Yeah, it's about a third of a pawn worse. Castling is dumb. Guys, okay, in this position, castling is dumb. Knight C3 is best. It's like I'm up a pawn, guys, but I'm not up a pawn. But I'm up a pawn. Now, here's where I thought this was clearly the best move. It is almost tied perfectly with Rook E1. What did I play? I played it. It's almost exactly the same move, score-wise. Now, Rook E1 is best, and I took the bishop. And it's about a fourth of a pawn worse. No, not so bad now it thinks about it. Plus 1.16 for Rook E1, and it's almost and plus 1.02 for 97. I did this again. You know why this is a better move? Because it develops a piece. Why won't I do it? Why won't I do it? You know, remember when I was saying, why is my opponent screwing up the endgame? You know what? He could be looking in this position saying, why doesn't he just bring a free piece? Not a free, but develop his rook. Yeah. And you know what? At our rating, it might be best. Because the reason knight D5 was better, or knight, whatever the move was better than castles, is because Stockfish can see so much further into the position. We try and get vibes from Stockfish, but sometimes we just... Okay, now Rook E1. Ooh, my other idea was there, guys. B3. Because I don't have Bishop F4 or Bishop G5. And Bishop E3 blocks my file where my Rook is definitely coming here. B3 is the best move. I played, well, it's, okay, they were tied. Rook E1 and B3 were the best, but I was considering B3 very, okay, here. Just B3. Just B3 is the best move. Look at Rook E4 as a move. Isn't that dumb? Rook E4 and then Bishop back and Rook over. The lifter, guys. Rook E4 is a crazy move. I play Bishop D3 as an accuracy. It's about Not quite half a pawn lost with this bad move. B3. Rook D8. LG5. Develops. And the thing about it, it removes the only piece on the king side. Then, and then, and then, and then, and then, and then, and then. Right? Okay. I was afraid to play B3, guys. Here's one thing. To me, this... Wait. To me, this is ugly. It's ugly. Because of this. Because of this. Well, I mean, okay, it's not that bad if I develop my bishop here. It just feels ugly to me. But what do they say? They say, there's a line they say, right? If you want to get squares, you got to give squares. Was it Bobby Fischer that said that? Who said that? Yeah. The queen comes. Just B3. But I thought I was improving. I ended up going back to C4. Best move. Best move. Hits. Best. That's bad. Oh, Rook B1. I didn't see it. 1 second. And I just thought of a move. When I was in there, I do my best thinking. When I was talking about sacking my rook D7 for the knight to trade down. Rook D7, bishop D7, and bishop F3. Attacking that pawn, guys. He has to either play bishop... Oh my god, we're going to look at it. Rook B... Dude, why not... Because my queen is better here than here. It's better here than here. And this moves a rook off its starting square, so that's good. Yeah, well, no, rook B1, man, why? And then I can play C3, restricting the knights. What does he play here? Queen A5, moving again, attacking my pawn, A3. No, it says, wow, C3 is better. Just giving this pawn up. Why? C3? What happens if he takes? Do I trap it? I trap it. He can't take the pawn. Wait. Oh, wait, no, I didn't trap it. Because if I do this and he comes out, I have this. And he has no squares, but he does have this pawn. So rook over is not the move. But this is just clearly better for me. I think, maybe... But I still, rook B1 is the thing. Everything after that, I'm not upset about. That's funny. I thought Cassie, I got that. Okay, he should have played knight E5. Yeah, knight E5 would have been a good move. C3 is good. I wanted H3 now. Okay, I play it later. H3 is best. Find it. Great. Now, again, this is the dogmas, guys. The dogmas. I like chess too. Daweed. Where's our man? Sandman. I had to do the... I'm back now. I'm back. Then you put it in the paper bag and give it to me. Here, watch. That's a mistake. Here's the dogma, guys. Bishop F4. Why? Why do I want to give up my bishop for a knight? Why? I feel like, oh, well, g5 can't come now. d5. And then bring the other rook. 1000%. Rook a d1. Hey, I found Stockfish's move, folks. Oh, now it's saying bishop c2. But either way, the point is, I'm ahead in development. It's +3. It's +3 after. This was the move I didn't see. This was the move I didn't see. This is where I'm clearly better and give up the bishop. Is there other moves? No, not as good. This is better by a pawn. Dude, you know another move here? Bishop g5 I didn't even see. I didn't see bishop g5. Bishop f4. Let me see. Takes, and I was worried about this coming. But oh, because I'm threatening this too. I mean, threatening just to come in and like start kicking him away. He wants king h8 is one of the good moves. And just bring the other rook. And I'm just better. I'm just better. I think in this position, I have a better structure around my king, right? But I don't know that my king is safer. Okay, let's get out of there. Bishop f4. Is this even on the list? It's not even on the list. That was third best. Fourth best. Third best. It dropped back off the list. It's not even there, guys. It's plus 2.5, and this was the move that lost a pawn and a half. I'm only clearly better right now at +1. He finds a good move. Again, bishop d4. I'm like, I don't want to lose the bishop. I don't want to lose the bishop. I don't want to lose the bishop. e5. Bishop b5. And what? a6 takes. c4? Nope. Oh, rook e5. And I'm still better. I'm telling you guys, I hold on to bishops longer than I'm supposed to. Then it's like, well, okay, you can give up the bishop now because you're getting something out of it. It's like, I want to keep the bishops forever, man. You can't keep the bishops forever sometimes. Yeah, and this I thought I was losing, but this just made it equal. d5, that's a mistake. Rook e6. Bishop e6. Bishop e2. And this is 0, 0, 0, 0 after queen g6 or rook a e8 is two best moves. Isn't that crazy? It's the bishop pair and the weak pawn. The bishop pair and the weak pawn. Even though I'm down an exchange. That is some Stockfish Grandmaster stuff. Okay, so now black's winning. Now black is winning. Best. These are all best. That was a miss. He had rook f3. Oh my god. He had rook f3. Oh. Because the queens move backwards. Takes. And now I just have to come up here and lose. Wow. He had it, guys. See? Yep. And he deserved to have that shot. But let's look at the clocks. When he had rook f3 and didn't play it, he has 11 minutes and 7 seconds on his clock, and I have 2:28. He's killing me on the clock. What just happened? Dave Joyce with 100. Dave Joyce, we just had a great, a fun game. Czar, thank you for the share and the follow. Be like Czar, guys. And Mudasir. And Don. God, so many follows on Facebook today. Guys, if you guys like what you see, I started streaming chess on Facebook. And the other communities are growing like wildfire. But guess what? Facebook's where I started. And that's why we always will stream on Facebook and with the chess community. It's where we started. It's the best. We've been doing this for 5 years, guys. So you just followed a really established chess page. He could have won 2 pieces for a rook there and kept his light squared bishop to attack. I would have been in so much trouble, guys. So much trouble. That was no good. Knight e5 is better. Knight e5. Knight e5. Takes. Now I'm on this. It's not pinned anymore. I'm not really on it, but 8-6, queen e3. Queen d1 wanting to trade queens. I have what we said. This is called the queen side majority. I have more pawns on the queen side. If everything gets traded off, I can shove these pawns and make a pass pawn. And his king has to run all the way over here to stop it. In the meantime, my king will run up here and try and get these pawns. But what does he have? He has a protected passed pawn. It's passed. No pawns can stop it, and it's protected. That's huge for him. I can't believe it. This is still better for me. Okay. That was okay. Queen b1. Hard find to move. Hard move to find, Stockfish. That was no good. It wanted queen d1 better to offer the trade. Knight comes. That was good. It wanted queen e2 again. Again, giving up the bishop. Sage with 100 stars. Facebook for the OGs where it all started. Sage has been here forever. Hey, and Habib, thank you for the follow, Habib. Welcome to my stream. Man, the bishop comes, folks. Not best. Yeah. Okay, he has a check, but I just move. But this knight is covering all these light squares, and this is a really good move. This piece doesn't play, right? And this bishop is a monster on the diagonal. There's not a lot going on over there, but he covers a lot of squares, but most importantly, he is the best defender of my king. Bishop h3. Queen e2 begging for the queen trade. Queen g6 saying, no way, Charlie. Look at this square, man. My knight, my lowly knight has to try and cover f3. It's... Black is better. Black is better. It's so funny. When black is better, it was 0.8 better. I felt like he was 2 points better. But just being down a little bit, I need to learn how to get better at looking at my evaluating the position. You need to be able to look at a position and say, what's better? Who's better here? Because sometimes you're going to look in your head and you're going to say, if I do this and do that and do this, is that better for me or is it better for him? And the better you get at evaluating the position, that's like a training thing they do when they're teaching people. Dave Joyce, thank you for the 100 stars. Sage Erdman, thank you for the 100 stars. I love you guys. My man, FB. Nah, hey, Facebook's doing the best they can. You know what's funny? Facebook is Facebook, and Facebook is an amazing platform. But they keep trying to, what's the word, like expand, which benefited me a lot when they tried to take over the streaming world. I'm glad they did that, but it didn't happen, and they had to back out of it. You know what I'm saying? They said we got to do shorts. We're gonna do shorts because TikTok, and they threw a lot of money at shorts and work and time trying to become the new TikTok. Guess what? Didn't happen either. But you know what Facebook still is? Cat pictures. Hey, Mom, look at the picture of your grandson. Oh, he's so cute. I love the shirt. Maybe Facebook needs to just be okay being the most amazing, awesome, freaking... I mean, it's the greatest interactive social media platform. It is. By far. Just being Facebook. Not being all about shorts, not being all about gaming, not being all about streaming. Being Facebook is just, maybe it's good enough. They say if you're not living, you're dying, or if you're not growing, you're shrinking, or whatever. It's like, I get it. That's what businesses do. But maybe they just never found that new thing to make it that much bigger and better. These are all weird moves. That's a mistake. Queen f4. I thought about queen f4, but I didn't like Oh, but queen f4 to come over here, though. If he does something silly, I could just get involved. Queen f4 is a good move. Dude, f4 is another good move. Crazy. I have one pawn to hide behind, guys. Stockfish says, yeah, go ahead and shove it. Get rid of this knight while you can. I said, no, I can bring my knight out and threaten the trade. So in this position, yeah, it was back here. Bishop f5 is second best move. I thought he had a really good spot to play bishop g4 before he played it. And maybe I'm wrong. I think I was wrong. I was wrong. Here's what happened. His best move was bishop h3. Trade, we talked about that. He plays this. I played this, and I'm like, oh, he should have played this last move. Well, he wouldn't have been hitting the knight last move. So that was my mistake. Brings the knight. Oh, no, here. How is this not good? Because I guess it... How is this not good? Oh, because it drops the knight. So I thought that was a move for him, and it was not. Takes. Now we're almost to equal again. Brings a rook. And I go to trade queens now. So my king doesn't get checkmated. Yeah. No. I was wrong. I was wrong. He plays it here, and it was the best move. Trade. Takes, best. That's no good. I want a rook d5. Rook d5 is better how? Bishop f7 and then play it? How is this not best? He doesn't have a check. Oh, he could come here, but I get to take this defending. It's not okay? Oh, yeah, rook d7 now. Because I'm on the bishop. Rook d7. Oh, he has rook e7. But wait. It doesn't work. Because he has this. Or this. They're both equal. I thought taking the 7th was the best move. He's still slightly better. That's a miss. I had rook c7. I played it later. I found it. That comes up. And then here I'm supposed to start shoving my majority, guys. And I didn't. And when I finally started pushing, and this was a wasted move, and I came back. It's an excellent move. I considered bishop h3 as well, but then I thought he could pin. Bishop h3. Oh, wait. Bishop h3. Rook f6. I didn't see this, Bill Stevens. I didn't see it. Unpinning. I didn't see it. Do I like it? I don't know that I even like it, but I know that I didn't see it. Like bishop f7, hitting my pawn. What do you do? Bishop f7. King g3 saying you can have the pawn. I think we're going to end up pushing. He doesn't take. Is it bad? Why is it bad? Because it's g5. Takes. Knight check, king g6. And what? Knight e4. We're playing chess, and it's equal. Okay. So that right there, I was in trouble. I was low on time. Oh, yeah. I had a point I was going to make. Here. When he could play rook takes, bishop takes, queen takes, and get 2 pieces for the rook. He has 11 minutes on the clock. I have 2.5 minutes. He's crushing me on the clock. Let's see how much time he spent to play this move. 15 seconds plus 10 seconds. So 25 seconds. 25 seconds. he didn't do it in 2 seconds, so I'm not going to fault him on it. But when things are really, really, really technically crazy, like back here, all this stuff that's going on, with my king here, all this, and when it gets like this, he should be spending, it's okay to, I have 30 seconds on the clock, he has almost 9 minutes. It's okay to spend a whole minute on a move. It's okay to spend 2 or 3 minutes in this position to find the win. You know what I'm saying? They call it a critical position, and we all need to get better at recognizing when it's critical and when it's not. The better the player, the better they recognize the critical position where this is where I need to stop moving, come up with a good plan, or find the tactics, find the checkmate. Because sometimes there will be no, you're not developed yet. It's like you should maybe be spending 20 minutes on your plan. Or maybe there's some tactics, but there's nothing really there, and you spend 20 minutes looking for the checkmate, and you wasted a bunch of time because there's no checkmate there. But the better you get, the better you smell. You know what I mean? And so bringing this was bad. I had knight h4. Wow, knight h4, hitting the bishop and the knight. So takes. That's a great move. Takes. I'm still on the bishop. I can bring my other rook, and I'm not getting mated. He may have ideas, guys. Yeah, rook f6. Yeah, I saw it. The knight. The thing is, the knight covers. The knight covers, and he can't really get rid of this knight right now. Wow. And that's equal. That's just equal. Okay, so takes. That was best. Best. This wasn't best. That was a wasted move. I picked up a little bit of time, but really no progress at all. That was okay. It wants g4. g4. What's wrong with takes? h2. It's the bishop and the knight. I didn't see this tactic either. Look at this tactic, Bill Stevens. Look at g4. I have so many memories that are coupled with having your stream on the background. So, for instance, I'm hanging a painting now, and every time I look at it, I'll think of this game, the stream. Bill Stevens, that's awesome, dude. That is awesome. Oh, man. Okay. Wait for it. Look at this shot. This is just Stockfish is brutal, dude. The discovered attack. But you know how you find this? And Grandmasters could find this. Because they're looking at how do I do a discovered attack and win the piece. And I look for it. The problem is, I feel like this move now, well, I feel like this is better for me. Black is better. Why? Oh, because of this. Because of this move. Wow. Yeah, and I saw some of those checks coming. Okay, so he comes back. That was a miss. I had bishop h3, improving in the position. Bishop h3. Takes. Rook f6. King e4. Look at the king, guys. Look at the king dominating El Centro. Wow. Bishop h3. I didn't see it. And then you're going to... Okay, now. Now white's better again. Plus 0.4. He found the best move. That was a really good move, guys. There was a huge threat. Let's say he does nothing. Let's say he does something like attack my knight. It doesn't really attack my knight, but this move. Knight f5. It hits the rook. and he hits the square. But even if he didn't do that, let's say there was another move he could make, like bishop here. Watch. Let's say he could play a bishop here. Knight, the same thing, knight f5. I was threatening this square. And actually, it could be really bad for him, right? So I saw that, and he saw it too. He played a very, very good move, not allowing knight f5. So my opponent played, that was a great move. Okay. I play b4 to start. Now I'm starting to push my majority. You guys, you understand the term, my majority. I have a majority on the queen side. He has a majority on the king side. Queen side majority is usually, it can be an advantage. It's something to recognize because it happens so far away from the kings. And if all the pieces got traded off right now, I just play this move and I win the game because his king can't get there in time. And if he decides that he wants to try and get over here fast enough, I could come up here and eat these pawns while he's doing this. And at some point, I could even try and trade down. It's a thing. It's a thing. I get the check, and he blundered. He blundered. Here's, it wasn't even the best move. Knight c6. Oh, knight c6. I didn't see that. Look at the move blocking, guys. Knight c6, h4. Oh, it's too much. And this is a draw? This is a draw. King h2. Check. Oh, because the pawn's pretty far advanced, I'm probably going to have to sack the bishop for it if I can at all. That's crazy. That's a weird draw, guys. Right? But instead, he gave me the piece. Knight comes. Take a pawn with check. Come back. Knight comes. Okay, here I play this knight move. I didn't have to play the knight move. I could just play bishop. The bishop f3 is like the third best move. Bishop f5, because this is hanging. Bishop f5 is a pretty cool move too. Okay, no, here's the line. Here's the line I thought of when I was away from the board. After takes, it doesn't work. I was looking at hitting this pawn, but I didn't realize he was on this pawn. But I just go here. Takes, and he's losing. He has this move, hitting the knight and the bishop. We just go. If he takes, he can't stop it. And if he takes this way, whoa. If he takes this, oh, he can't even take this way. Yeah, he can't. So this is over. It's already, it's doing the 62 thing. So, okay, so here's the final answer on Rook D7. Bill Stevens, it was the best move. It was the best move, and I saw it instantly. I saw it instantly that I get to trade that, and then I should have just seen this. And I think I did, and I still didn't like it because I didn't see. Yeah, bishop c8, like knight b8 or something. Oh, that was his best move, and then knight c8. Bishop c8. Okay, king e7, hitting my knight. We just go. We just go. We just go. Wow. So rook d7 was best, and I saw it. Let's see how much worse my move was. It's plus 8.6 after rook takes knight. And now it's plus 7.71. Still totally winning. I also felt like I should have played this move. It's all winning. It's all winning. I'm up a rook. I'm up a rook and a pawn, guys. But you're still going to win. And then he dropped a knight. Yeah, it's too much. Wow, what a game, dude. That was fun. I'll tell you, man. The bathroom move. So the bathroom move was wrong. The bathroom move was wrong, Bill Stevens. Because but it still was best. It still was best, though. Here, what did I say? Takes. In the bathroom, I saw this move. But it's not the best move. This is the best move. Because he's on this pawn, and I didn't see it. I couldn't see it from the bathroom. You know what I mean? Dude, great game. Okay, what do we got going on here? There was a big tournament today. Did you guys see? The chess.com Open. The results are in. You're going to love these results, guys. I don't love them. Jan Nepomniachtchi with first place. Norderbeck, second place. Wesley So, third place. Wesley's playing really good right now, guys. Fourth place, Hans Moke Niemann. And you needed to finish top 3 to move forward and play tie breaks to see who gets... They get like... There's an actual spot to qualify to another tournament. And if you beat that, then you can join the World Cup or something silly. I don't call it silly. But Hans did great. Hans was in a 3-way tie with Norderbeck and Wesley So, but he lost on tie breaks. He lost a game. They never lost a game. Yeah. So that was going on earlier today. That was 10-minute chess, guys. Was it 10-minute no increment? Where's the thing that tells you the what? I don't know what these words mean. Up to 3 top finishers of the CCO, what does that mean? Qualify for the EWC. Don't know what that means. Typing is free, folks. It's a couple of bits. You're not trying to say bytes on the chess.com server. Prize fund, where to watch. Okay. Why doesn't it say time controls? Schedule. News. Dashboard. What is dashboard? There's a dashboard? Huh. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I was watching the Chess Bras. Guys, if you guys like chess, you guys like what you see, please hit the like button, follow button on YouTube. Hit that subscribe button. Twitch, hit the follow button. Facebook, hit the follow and the like button. We had a good game. If you guys missed it, go back, rewind it. I shut chat off, and I talked through the whole game, and you will see my good things I did right and saw, and the bad things I did wrong that you will see in the analysis afterwards. Completely, totally learned from that game. Shut off chat, focused on it. The guy was 140 points higher than me in a rapid game, 15 plus 10. I got lucky. Man. We took care of it. We did 12-hour stream yesterday for the gaming stream, celebrating 3,000 hours in Elden Ring. That was a lot of fun. I'm going to be playing some gaming here in a couple hours. I have to start making dinner. Guys. Hey, man, congratulations, dude. You know what? It's so funny because it's like 3,000 hours in Elden Ring by itself. That's not like a accepted coming of age. It doesn't mean now I'm good at Elden Ring. It doesn't mean I did a no-hit run with just my fists like Gino Machino can do. But it is just a milestone to see the number. And I'll tell you the biggest thing about that, and it's the same thing about Chess Stream, and I'm telling you guys right now. Any milestones I hit, any 5 years streaming chess full-time, any good things that happen through the stream, and I'm not being cliche and I'm not being cheesy. Totally impossible without the community. If I had a day job and I had to go clock in and be somewhere, I would never be able to play 3,000 hours of Elden Ring. I'd have 300 hours of Elden Ring. But because I can stream it 4 or 5 times a week and as much as I want to, I'm able to play a lot. So that 3,000 hours is just a byproduct of the community, of the follows, and then it goes the same for the chess, of the Ikramul with the follow, Ian Matza with the like, Sage German with the 100 stars, Dave Joyce with the 100 stars. Guys, we started the stream off. You guys want to talk about the community growing and people supporting. When this stream started, it was very early. Very early, man. This guy right here. Dylan Dietz. Do we know Dylan Dietz? We might know him from something else. I might know him from a different name on Facebook or something. But he was just a cool dude that came in with a $9.99 super chat. Cup of coffee on me, big dog. That's support. Adam Engel comes back with his 40 stars. Guys, it's without that support, I wouldn't be able to play as much chess as I do, and I wouldn't be able to do as much gaming as I do. And so thank you guys very much. I will be back in a few hours for Elden Ring After Dark, although it might be a different game, guys. It might be Dark Souls number 2. My final Dark Souls game. I'm like I'm a couple of streams into it, and I'm loving this game, guys. I'm loving exploring, seeing new things. Yeah, Dark Souls 2 is fun. I'm probably gonna play that tonight. We're gonna be gaming for sure. Thank you guys. I freaking love you guys. Hit the like button on the way out, the sub button, man. On your way out, if you're on your way out, just hit the like button, hit the sub button. It all helps the stream. It's all free, and I freaking love you guys. Thank you guys. Twitch, I am going to take on a raid. Let me say goodbye to we'll say goodbye to Facebook first. Facebook, I freaking love you guys. Hit the like and follow button on the way out. Goodbye. All right. YouTube, I freaking love you. YouTube horizontal. Hit the subscribe button and the like button on the way out. I love you guys. We'll catch you guys tomorrow for more chess and gaming in a few hours. YouTube horizontal, I'm vertical, the big numbers, guys. The people that come in and come out. You're coming in, you just came in. My name's Charlotte, play guitar, play chess. You like chess? I do chess 4 days a week at 3 o'clock. Hit the subscribe button and like button. Love you guys. Thanks for being here. There we go. Now Twitch. Now Twitch is the only people we